In a cramped fisherman shack on Solomon's Island more than 90 years ago, Reginald Truitt began studying the biology of oysters with a borrowed microscope. In 1925, his one-man operation became the Chesapeake Biological Laboratory, the first to conduct scientific research on the bay's fish, oysters, and blue crabs, and the founding laboratory of the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science. Today, we celebrate 90 years of solving problems, improving the way we understand our environment, and preparing new generations to tackle real-world issues around the globe. Our collaborative network of scientists and laboratories extends across Maryland, from the Appalachians to the Atlantic Ocean, and from the shores of the Chesapeake to the heart of Baltimore. As a world leader in coastal and watershed science, we've helped achieve national eminence for the University System of Maryland and consistently set the pace of scientific research on the Chesapeake Bay. When Maryland's bay grasses started disappearing decades ago, UMC scientists were first to demonstrate how excess nutrients were disrupting the natural ecosystem, a fact that continues to drive our restoration efforts today. Now, UMC's is helping restore the bay's ecosystem through programs like our state-of-the-art oyster culture facility, which is producing record numbers of spat-on shell that directly support Maryland's habitat restoration projects. Our leaders count on UMC's for expert guidance toward achieving a sustainable future, such as creating a science-based blueprint for restoring the environmental and economic vitality of the Chesapeake Bay. We have also led the national debate on the consequences of mountaintop removal mining and educated Congress on the ecosystem impacts of the Gulf oil spill. Our cutting-edge research is turning algae into biofuel, preventing invasive species from entering our nation's ports, helping to predict coastal flooding, and assessing how climate change is impacting our forests. UMC's is now issuing joint degrees with the University of Maryland College Park and creating professional courses and certificate programs that will help natural resource managers and environmental stewards improve their impact on our communities. From our humble beginnings to our proudest achievements, the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science will continue leading the way toward a better environmental future for Maryland and around the world.